Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your week 5 screencast video. So we are moving into the second half of the course. There are quite a few points still left on the table there. So I want to stress that I understand that it is the summer season and the calendar did not really work in our benefit for how a course using the Curious Researcher is laid out. However, I do offer some flexibility on due dates. Quality is the key. Don't turn something in just to turn it in. Make sure it is the quality and achieving the grade you're looking for. The example for the annotated is rather clear on expectations. Go back to and take a look at that lecture video from last week. Okay, so be sure to take your time on that, but please don't misinterpret my flexibility. All right. So here's the schedule for week 5. We're going to be moving into chapter 3. The annotated is due on Friday. Hopefully, you can complete it this week before the holiday weekend festivities. I will produce the lecture video about midweek. Looking to do it about Wednesday, where I'll talk about the double entry journal and more about chapter 3. And of course, your discussion board responses are going to be due on Friday. So, since this screencast mostly consists of the mechanics of the week, let's get to week 5 here. All right, so just to review some of our assignments for the week, of course, reading chapter 3, paying close attention to pages 84 to 91. The discussion board post is pretty clear about working in chapter 3. Chapter 3, in my mind, and even chapter 4 are the critical chapters. That writing in the middle that Ballinger talks about, how you work with your sources, researching and finding sources is one part of the process. The information you extract from your sources and the conversation that you have with your sources is just critical for forging a developed and focused knowledge and for you to gain new insights about your topic and then ultimately write the research essay. So, basic activities, the ongoing activity is your annotated that is due on Friday. In Wednesday's lecture video, I will talk exclusively about the double entry and then writing in the middle with the PowerPoint about chapter 3, so you can look for that. Also, assignment uploads, just to review this while we're here. Once again, we have the Google Drive instructions. Please, I mean, if you're, it's not that hard to use Google Drive. If you're comfortable of writing in another software program, if you're an Apple person and you use Pages, you certainly can copy and paste into the Drive account. You can, or Google Doc, you can, upload your document as a Word doc, even into the Drive folder, something. But note that I will review and comment in your Google Drive folder, in the Drive folder. Once again, it's stated in the syllabus. I've added the link to the video tutorial here in the assignment upload folder. Okay, the course menu item. Here is the upload for the annotated bibliography where I'm asking for the GDoc link. I mean, if you're going to upload a Word doc and that's what you're working in, be aware that I will not comment in Blackboard. I will look for it in the Drive folder. Pretty much the same process that was followed in the critical thinking exercise. So hopefully we got that all out of the way. Like I said, here's the link to the course folder and the video tutorial on how to use Google Drive in this course. So I think I've got covered everything for this week. I'm gonna cut this one a little short after a couple of long videos last week. Once again, look for the lecture video about midweek. And, well, good luck. Have a safe 4th. And if you need me, everyone knows where to find me in the email world. All right. Thank you. Enjoy the 4th.